Hi, I'm Mick Sadler, and today we're going to do some product photography with patterned glass. Product photography with patterned glasses. How difficult can it be? Well, we're going to show you. There's probably a better way of doing things, and probably equipment you can get to do it high end. Trouble is, this can take maybe an hour, half an hour to set up, to shoot, and if you've got a lot of them, that's not really practical. So what we're going to do is to show you how to do it on minimal equipment. So this is using just one light, and we hope we can get the maximum detail out of these glasses. You'll be the judge of that. Client wanted to have them on a white background, which again is fairly challenging with something see-through and something with heavy patterns, but we're going to give it a go, and you'll see the results. So we're using a single light through a shoot-through umbrella, and the light is from the side, sort of a bit higher up from the side, making sure that light is falling on the glass and the background. And then we are using the other side, we're using a white foam core reflector to reflect some light back towards the glass and towards the background. On either side of the white card background is we've got some black foam core to sort of reflect some little bit of blackness into the glass to try and give it a bit of detail. You can see there's a bit of detail there, and some of the detail showing through from behind, which is a little bit confusing, but it does give the overall shape, albeit that I don't think it's really that suitable for a white background. You can probably see that some of these glasses, that some have better results than others. Some you can see better detail than others which are not quite well suited and don't give exactly the same sort of degree of detail, but overall pretty good. So we're going to go on to the second setup now. Right, the second setup, I have to say here that you got to shut down when using continuous light. Any ambient light around, you've got to shut that off and just use the lights that you're using to light the subject. So in a darkened room, really, with one light. Now this setup is using one light again. We've got the light in a softbox underneath the table. The table is about 8 inches, 20 centimeters away from the wall, and the light is just on the floor, shining up through the gap, and we've got a white foam core background just stuck to the wall, and the light coming up is the only light illuminating the subject. So we've got a bit of clear perspex on a white foam core just to give a nice sort of reflection to it. Either side of this we have a black foam core again. Not sure how that's affecting it much, but yeah, certainly any light reflected off the light table, it would stop that and probably hopefully give a bit more detail in the glass. So we've set the exposure so that it is bright enough, and then the foreground we've used a gradient mask in Lightroom just to lighten that up a bit, to sort of balance it up a bit. And then the last thing is back into Photoshop just to give it a high pass filter, just to give it added sharpness, and we got the finished result. So again, you can see some of these, and we're going to put a picture up of the two of them side by side, the white background and the one from shining below the table, and you can see there is more detail, I think, in the the second version. And we delivered both versions to the client, and we don't know whether they're happy with it or not. But yeah, an interesting problem to have. Thanks for watching. Please let us know if you like this product photography. If you've got any problems, leave a comment down below. If you want to be informed of our videos, click the bell, and you'll be informed every time we upload a video. And please subscribe if you haven't already. Yeah, we're going to be doing another video on product photography fairly soon, and if you've got any particular problems that you have got photographing items, product photography items, let us know, and we'll try and do a video on that, and we'll see you again next time.